Hello, Mountain Ed students. We just wanted to do a quick video for you to show you how to use the Google Drive app for scanning and sending your handwritten notes to the teachers. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the Google Drive app on your phone. It should be a free download for you. It's that colorful triangle symbol there, and you're going to want to log into that with your student email address. So when you log in, you'll see that you've got a little circle in the top corner there. It'll have your initial or your symbol for your student account, and that's going to be where you can also add another account. If you already have the Google Drive app and you've logged into it with another Google account, you can add yourself there with your student email. So you'll notice down in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a colorful plus sign, and you should see that regardless of the type of device you have, but that's where you're going to add something to your Google Drive. And when you do that, you'll see that it's got scan document there, so you can use that, or if you are on the iPhone, you'll also see that it's got a scan document button right above the plus sign. So when you're ready to scan your documents, you want to make sure that your notes are ready to go. They're there in front of you. I would go ahead and flip them over so that there's only one page visible, so that you don't have long kind of stretched photos for the pages, because it'll try to grab every bit of the page that's there. So go ahead and have it ready like that. And what you'll do is click that scan, and you're going to hold it up above, and you're going to scan the document. You can pull it over to the side, flip the page over, get ready to scan again, make sure it lines up, and it will take that photo for you. Flip it again, line it up and let it scan. And then each time you do that, you're able to actually click and flip through, see what the scans actually look like. You know, you can make sure that it is clear and that it is easy to read. And when you're done, you can hit done, and then you'll be able to hit save down in the bottom. And when it's saving, it will go ahead and suggest a name, so that'll take a second for that to load. And once that is loaded, it's always going to say scanned, and it'll have the date and time there. You can just add to that and say, you know, unit 1, lesson 2, notes, and that was for 9th Lit. That way you can find it easily and the teachers can see it. You can delete that bit, or you can leave the timestamp on there, and then you'll hit done, and it'll have those names there for you. It's going to save it to your location. You can just save it to your drive. If you want to save it to a certain location, like a file for notes, you're welcome to do that. When you click upload, you'll see that it'll scan. It'll show you where it's uploading down at the bottom. When it's done, from right there, you can just click it and it'll take you to your most recent uploads. So here's the Unit 1, Lesson 2 Notes, 9th Lit, and you can click that and you can click Share. So those 3 dots off to the side will give you that ability. This is going to English, so you type MEC English Support, and that'll send it to the English teachers. You can add a message there. You can say, you know, hi, these are my Unit 1, Lesson 2 notes. If it's for a quiz reset, you could ask for that, or if it's for your post-test for a temporary exemption, or if you're a Quest student for your post-test, you can put that in there as well, and then click the little mail send symbol, and it'll send that email with those notes attached to the teachers, and it'll be in that form that's easy to see and view. If you don't click the button down at the bottom when you see that it has finished uploading, you may not see it pop up easily in your files area over here. Sometimes it will, but these, you see, it's not right there right away. You can always click files though, and you can see all the files that you've added. So see, there's that one that I just did there, and you can click the 3 dots again when you get to that point and can share from that location as well. It will eventually show up there too in your home location as well. So that's how you use the Google Drive app on the phones.